Hello future traders, how are you? I'm Saurav and from the Team Zolyed, I welcome you all to our channel. So friends, today's topic is Doji. Doji means neutral candle. Like in our last episodes, we have covered topics like hammer and what is a shooting star. And why hammer and shooting star was so important, you know it. So we thought let's do a very brief episode on Doji, because while doing trading you will understand why Doji and why neutral candle is so important, why the trend changes, why the resistance change whenever a Doji appears in the screen. All right, so we will understand today, but the most important part, you need to do one thing for me, and that is subscribe to our channel. All right, like and share the content, and the most important part which I always tell you is don't forget your dreams and your ambition, because the more your dreams and ambitions are clear in your mind, universe will definitely going to deliver each and everything whatever you desire and whatever you aspire for. So you need to think, you need to be alert, and you need to be prepared always that like this is life can take you anywhere, so you need to be prepared for that. I'm not only talking about stock market or about trading, it's about life also. So let's take some motivation from it. All right, so let's go to the screen and let's understand what is a Doji. Basically, what is a Doji or neutral candle? See, Doji and neutral candle both are same concept, but we need to understand today that what is Doji and what is neutral candle. So let's go to the screen and let's understand some more beauty of Doji and neutral candle. So let's go. So friends, I welcome you all to this chart, and this is basically a daily chart of Nifty 50. And now today we will going to understand that what is the meaning and what is the impact of Doji candles, means the neutral candles, why the neutral candles are important during trading, and why you should learn this and why you should understand this concept. Okay, so this becomes very important for us. Okay, and so first of all, I just want to do one thing. I just want to add a moving average over here. Okay, so I have added moving average. What I need to do, I have to edit it with like 44, and then let's keep it a bit thick, and now it will going to help us out. All right, so this is a moving average, but let's understand that how a Doji candle looks. Okay, how a Doji candle looks like. This is a Doji candle. Okay, this is a Doji candle, and this also looks like a Doji candle, but no, this is not a Doji candle. This is a Doji candle. Okay, and this is also looks like a Doji candle. Okay, and this also looks like a Doji candle, and just one more, we just need to find one more, like this is also a Doji candle. Okay, so we have got like 6 examples, or you can say 5 examples for that. Okay, so now it becomes very important that like now we have understood that how a Doji candle looks. Okay, now in the blank sheet we will understand that how a Doji candles actually looks. So let's go to a blank page and let's understand more about it. So friends, as you know, the Doji candles looks exactly like this. Okay, like let me give you a very short example. Like this is a body of a candle, and this becomes its wick, the upper wicks as well as the lower wicks. Okay, and this is a one more Doji candle with some black color on it, and this is also a Doji candle. Okay, so this is how a Doji candle actually looks. So now you will be understanding, so now you will be thinking that is a Doji candle also a hammer or is a shooting star? No friends, a Doji and a hammer as well as shooting star is a totally different concept. Like whenever a market is going rising, and if a shooting star appears, so the market starts going down. Okay, and whenever a market is falling, whenever a hammer appears, market starts going high. Okay, this is a basic concept of hammer as well as a shooting star. But now you need to understand that how a Doji basically is. Like suppose friends, let me give you a very short example.
Like a stock start at 100, okay? A stock starts at 100, okay? And market goes up to 120, okay? Market goes up to 120 and something happened, means the bears took the control. And then what happened? The market starts going down, 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 and down. So it went up to 80. Okay, it went up to 80. Like over here, it was 120, and now it's 80. And then after that, what happened? The bulls again took the charge, and the market started going rising, and it went up till here, means up to 105. Okay, up to 105, the market went high. Okay, so this is the basic concept. Okay, like in the doji, you will understand that how bears and bulls take charge of that particular day, and how things happen, or how thing goes in that particular trade or in that particular day. Okay, so this is basically a white doji. And now you must be thinking, what is a black doji? So just suppose the market goes high, and it went up to 120, and it went up to 120. All right, so what happens? The bears took the control, and the market again started going down, down, and down. Okay, so it went up to 80. All right, so this is the fun part. Like now again bull took the charge, and it gone high, high, and high, and it reaches up to 95. Okay, so this is basically a black colored doji. Okay, this is basically a black colored doji. So it's 95. So friends, now you have understood that how a white doji and a black doji actually looks. Okay, so now you must be thinking that it works as a hammer and it works as a shooting star. Friends, I have gave you a very good example over here that it doesn't work like a shooting star or a hammer. Like suppose if a market is going down, and if a doji appears, it will again going to rise. Okay, and if a doji appears over here, it will again going to rise. All right, so it's a basically a pause in the ongoing trend. Okay, it's a pause in the ongoing trend. Okay, so this is what is the basic difference between hammer, shooting star, and doji. All right, now let's go to the presentation of doji candle. All right, so in here you will see that this is a neutral candle. Okay, this is a neutral candle presentation, basically a doji. So now you know that how a doji looks. Okay, this is the way you know that this is how a doji looks. Like this is a market trend which is going down, and this is a doji. Okay, and whenever a doji appears, the market start going uh, rising. So this is what this is a reversal trend. Okay, so the first point is open and close one point, and with big wicks. Like a market opens at and close at the same point only. All right, which we have understood in a blank page, friends. Okay, and second point is it can be a pause on ongoing trend. Okay, and third point is occurs after a trend. Third point is it always occurs after a trend. Okay, like here it's a reversal trend. So after that doji appears, and over here if the doji again appears, then it will be a ongoing trend. Okay, so this is how doji appears, and this is how the market goes with impact whenever a doji appears. And fourth point, as you know, that it works as a reversal. Okay, over here you will understood. So now let's go to the live chart again, and let's understand more about it. So friends, as you know, now you have understood that what is a doji basically look like. So you know that how a white doji looks like and how a black doji looks like. Okay, you know what is a hammer, you know what is a shooting star, you know how doji impacts the market. Like it's a pause in an ongoing trend. Okay, like this is a reversal trend, and this is the ongoing trend. Okay, so you know this, have that confidence in you, and please, you know about all these things. Okay, so now let's go to the chart. So friends, now you have seen that whenever a moving average rises, we always buy. Okay, we always buy whenever we see a moving average. Okay, whenever there is a fall in moving average, we always short sell. Okay, we always short sell over there. And whenever there is a sideways trend, means whenever there is a sideways, we never buy, we always sell. Okay, so this is the way we understand the market. Like now we have understood that what is a doji. So over here, friends, you have seen that this is how the market goes. Like this is a ongoing trend, a doji appears and the market again started going rising. Okay, like again here, like here you will see that this is a doji. Okay, again what happens, the market started rising. Okay, and the market started falling, and falling, and then this doji appears and the market started going high. Okay, and then again a doji appears and the market again go, and the market cut. So over here you will see that there is a one more doji, and what happens, the market again start rising. All right, so this is the basic beauty, this is the beauty of stock market. All right, so friends, I am just going to give you a very free advice. It's totally free, it's very free. Just what you need to do, you just need to draw these 20 dojis in a blank page or wherever you feel like, and you just need to do one thing, you just need to spot dojis in a live chart, basically in 5 or 10 live charts, whatever makes it easy for you. All right, so because it will going to help you a lot if you really want to start trading and if you really want to understand the stock market. All right, friends, so I will meet you in the next segment, and till then whatever I'm advising you, please start doing it. It will really going to help you.
So friends, now you have understood the concept of doji or neutral candle and why it is so important and why it has so much impact in stock market. You know it. Have that confidence in you. All right, you know it now. But one thing which you need to do is you need to analyze. You need to observe the market from your point of view. You need to spot those hammers, shooting star, king candles, doji, and why those figures are so important. You know it, but you need to do it by your own self now. All right, be in that zone, be prepared. All right, and yes, if you want to analyze it in a very different manner, or if you want to explore the beauty of stock market, then friends, there is a link which is given in our description box. Just go over there and enroll yourself. That link is to our specialized courses for stock market and for trading. All right, those courses are of 3 languages: Hindi, English and Bangla. All right, so friends, just go over there, enroll yourself, understand the beauty of stock market and see stock market from a different point of view. You will understand that. And yes, strategies. We have made sure that you learn the strategies. You understand the strategies. It's not only about you are mugging up the strategies. It's all about understanding the strategies. So friends, now what you need to do, just go over there, enroll yourself, and yes, 2 things which I always tell you is trust your instincts. And second, just be disciplined, because if you are disciplined, then stock market has a lot to give to you, basically profits and secure returns. So just be in that particular platform, and yes, you will be there, mark my words. So friends, thank you, and I will be there with a very latest version of stock markets, and we will understand some more beauty of it. So thank you.